Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix special characters keyboard problem. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. It's actually pretty easy to fix. So just right click on your start menu right here. You gotta click on settings. Now in the left panel, you gotta find time and language. Now find language and keyboard, not typing, okay? Language and keyboard. Now in this section, say for example, you have a Japanese keyboard, right? I'm going to go ahead and add in a language, and then let's go ahead and find Japanese. Let's click on it, click on next. Now, everything will be installed right here. You can set it as your Windows display language as well if you want to. Just basically click on install, and then just wait for the process to finish. Now, while it's installing, again, for example, you have a Japanese keyboard layout. Now, click on the three dots right here. You're going to go ahead and click on language for your default language. So click on language options, scroll all the way down, and under installed keyboards, add a keyboard, and then go ahead and find the Japanese keyboard right here. So just click on it. Now what you would do is go ahead and delete this main keyboard layout, right? You could always add it in later, right? Delete or remove, and then go ahead and go back. Let's check this one. So what you do basically is just wait for the installation process to finish right here, and then go ahead and click on language option, scroll all the way down, and then add a keyboard, choose Japanese as well. It's not going to show right here because it's not done installing yet. And that's basically it. I hope that makes sense. And also I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.